front of me is OPPO A5x, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google here. Finally, after selecting Google Password Manager, click on any password you wish to check. Enter your screen lock, tap on this eye icon, and this way make your password visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!